Weschenfelder do some amazing bits of kit, and this is a complete chorizo kit, and it just comes in this lovely packaging, and inside it's got the recipes, and you've got all of the seasonings that make chorizo in it. And in this particular kit you get the curing salts and some skins and culture, and you can make chorizo salami with it. We're going to put together a really easy chorizo mix using the seasonings from the chorizo kit that Weschenfelder sell. I've got a kilo of roughly coarse ground pork. I've got 15 grams of seasoning, that's the ratio, 15 grams of seasoning for every kilo of meat, and then I've got a little bit of red wine just to bring that all together. It's really simple to make this chorizo mix. All we're going to do is combine them in this bowl and mix them by hand. And once you've created the mix, you can use it to make sausages, burgers, or meatballs, or just cooked loose, fried with eggs. It's absolutely delicious and versatile. Because we won't be turning this into a chorizo salami, we won't need the curing salts. Instead, we'll add in 16 grams of normal salt for seasoning. So once you've created this really versatile, delicious chorizo mix, you can use it to stuff sausages, you can make burgers out of it, you can even make little meatballs or cooked loose, particularly nice fried with some eggs. It's a real winner.